The justification behind Rosetta Stone method is that when two domains are fused in a single protein, they have to be in proximity to perform a common function. A. Distant. B. Close. C. Extremely distant. D. Extremely close. The correct answer is extremely close. Which of the following is untrue regarding the predicting interactions based on domain fusion? A. It is based on gene fusion events. B. Predicting protein-protein interactions is called the Rosetta Stone method. C. A fused protein often reveals relationships between its domain components. D. A fused protein doesn't necessarily reveal about the relationships between its domain components. The correct answer is a fused protein doesn't necessarily reveal about the relationships between its domain components. Which of the following is untrue regarding the classic yeast-2 hybrid method? A. It is used for the detection of protein interactions. B. Method that relies on the interaction of bait and prey proteins in molecular constructs in yeast. C. DNA binding domain and a trans-activation domain don't necessarily interact. D. In this strategy, a two-domain transcriptional activator is employed as a helper for determining protein-protein interactions. The correct answer is DNA binding domain and a trans-activation domain don't necessarily interact. If the bait and prey proteins they bring the DNA binding and trans-activation domains in such close proximity that they reconstitute the function of the transcription activator, turning the expression of a reporter gene as a result. Which of the following is not the correct pair of blanks? A. Physically interact on. B. Do not interact on. C. Do not interact off. D. Stop interacting off. The correct answer is do not interact on. Which of the following is untrue regarding the predicting interactions based on phylogenetic information? A. Proteins do not operate as a complex. B. This method detects the co-presence or co-absence of orthologs across a number of genomes. C. Protein interactions can be predicted using phylogenetic profiles. D. Phylogenetic profile are defined as patterns of gene pairs that are concurrently present or absent across genomes. The correct answer is proteins do not operate as a complex. Which of the following is untrue regarding the string? A. Search tool for the retrieval of interacting genes proteins. B. Functional associations include only the direct protein-protein interactions. C. It is based on combined evidence of gene linkage, gene fusion, and phylogenetic profiles. D. It is a web server that predicts gene and protein functional associations. The correct answer is functional associations include only the direct protein-protein interactions. An alternative approach to determining protein-protein interactions is to use a large-scale affinity purification technique that involves attaching fusion tags to proteins and purifying the associated protein complexes in an affinity chromatography column. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. In predicting interactions based on gene neighbors, if a certain gene linkage is found to be indeed conserved across divergent genomes, it can be used as a strong indicator of formation of an operon that encodes proteins that are functionally and even physically coupled. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. When the two domains are located in two different proteins to preserve the same functionality, their close proximity and interaction have to be preserved as well. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.